So what is taxable supply? How to create taxable invoices? We know now, ma. Next,
Yes, ma'am.
under GST, we have a nil-rated supply also, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
What is meant by nil-rated supply? How to we are purchasing and selling nil-rated goods on that time. How to prepare purchase and sales invoices? I am explaining, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, what is meant by nil-rated? Nil-rated means supplies that have a declared rate of 0% GST, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
In a GST tax slabs, 0% tax rate we have, no, ma.
Yes.
When we are purchasing fresh items like fresh milk, curd, so next to so fresh products, all chicken, mutton. So this and all fresh products we are purchasing, that and all comes under nil-rated GST rate, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Like salt, grains, jaggery, this and all comes under nil-rated, ma. So in a GST, we have a 0% tax slabs, no? We have a GST 5 tax slabs. We have discussed it already, no?
Yes, ma'am.
See, ma, 5% tax slabs we have. 0% on that 0% also one tax slab, ma. 0% tax slab we are called nil-rated tax, ma. Okay. See what items it comes under 0% means like fresh meat, chicken, eggs, fish, milk, buttermilk, curd, natural honey, stamps, sindoor, fresh fruits and vegetables, so bread, salt. So this and all comes, no, ma. This
Yes,
and
ma'am.
all comes under 0%, ma. Okay. In your organization, any 0% items you are purchasing and selling means we want to create a nil-rated purchase and sales invoices, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
So supplies that have a declared rate of 0% GST. For example, salt, grains and jaggery. Now here some examples I mentioned, ma. Purchased 100 kgs of salt from Balaji stores for rupees 50. Sold 50 kgs of salt to Vinay for rupees 80 per kg. Now how to prepare nil-rated purchase and sales invoices, ma. Nil-rated purchase and sales invoices. Purchase and sales invoices in Tally Prime. So this is I am explaining today. So okay, we will see now how to proceed this one. So this nil-rated supply is a taxable supply only, ma. This is taxable supply only. Okay, that GST rate is 0% we have, ma. GST rate is 0% we have. GST rate is 0%. It is taxable supply only, but GST rate is 0%. So on the time of GST returns filing, how much nil-rated supplies we have? We want to enter a value, ma. Now how to prepare this invoices in Tally? We will see, ma. See, already in previous I am explained how to enable GST futures, how to create ledgers, how to create stock items and all I explained you, ma. Already we are created purchase and sales ledger also. Okay. Now we can go to create. We want to create a ledger, ma. We are purchasing from whom? Balaji stores. We are purchasing from Balaji stores. Name already we are created, ma. Okay, name already we are created. I am going to alter. I will show you. Ledgeru Balaji stores. Okay, already we are created. We are purchasing from this person. Ledger name Balaji stores. Under Sunday creditors. Enter. Here registration type. He is a registered dealer or unregistered dealer. Do you want to select it, ma? Okay. I am selected unregistered dealer. Enter. You can save it, ma. Next one. So purchase already we are created, no? GST purchase and sales ledger already we have. See, GST purchase ledger name comes under purchase account. Here is GST applicable. Type of supply goods, you can save it. So GST sales ledger also we are created, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So it comes under sales. Is GST applicable? Applicable. Enter, you can save it. Okay, necessary ledgers we have. Now we are going to create stock items. I am creating, ma. What item we are purchasing and selling, ma? Salt, ma. Units is kgs. Enter. GST applicable, applicable. Set and alter GST details as. Under description item name, do you want to type HSN number? Here calculation type and value. See, ma. Under taxability, you want to select it now nil rated, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, nil rated, you want to select it here. Once we have selected nil rated, automatically that screen it is saved. Type of supply goods, ma. Enter, you can save it. Okay, for example, grains also I am creating. Grains. So here you can select it grains kgs. Applicable. Here yes. So description grains. Grains also I am selling. HSN number and value. Here nil rated you want to select it, ma. Type of supply goods. Enter, you can save it. Okay, we are created this like items. Next, in a main gateway of tally, vouchers you can select it, ma. First we are purchasing no nil rated goods. Purchase invoice I want to prepare. In a button bar you can select it purchase, ma.
Okay.
So invoice purchase invoice number, date, party name, do you want to select it? You are purchasing from whom? So we are purchasing from Balaji stores, no? What item you are purchasing? Salt. Godown. In which godown do you have? Bangalore godown. 100 kgs I am purchasing. Per kg cost, for example, 30 rupees. So enter. Enter, ma. Now grains also I am purchasing, for example. Godown it is asking 20 kgs grains I am purchasing. Per kg cost 250, ma. So this is the nil rated purchase invoice I am preparing, ma. We no need to calculate any tax here, ma, because this is nil rated, no, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we no need to calculate any tax here. For example, I want to check tax analysis means in a button bar you can select it related reports, GST tax analysis. So detailed I am checking. See, it is not calculated any tax, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is Nilrated Supply, 0% tax rate we have. Enter, enter, you can save the invoice. At the same time, I am selling now these goods. Sales to whom it is asking. So I am creating one name, Vinay. We are selling to Vinay, no? He is a
Yes, ma'am.
Sunday debitor, ma. He is a Sunday debitor. Enter, enter. He is a regular dealer or unregistered dealer. Do you want to select it, ma? Enter. Here, what items you are selling? Salt I am selling. Bangalore go down. 50 kgs I am selling, ma. So how much the cost? 50 rupees per cost, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
So enter, enter. Now only salt I am selling now. Enter, you can save it, ma. This is Nilrated sales invoice. How to create? We no need to calculate any tax, no, because 0% item this is.
Okay.
You can save it, ma. Now how to view the reports we will see, ma. You can go to display more reports. Here you can select it that GST reports, ma. Under GST reports, GSTR 1 we have. Here only sales details it is showing, ma. Enter. Period I am changing. In August month we are created invoice, no?
Yes, ma'am.
August month, see here, last column, ma. Separately it is showing, no, ma. In our organization, in August month, what are the total in nil rated supply we have amount it is showing, no, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are filing returns means on that time also we are filing, when we are filing GSTR1 return, on that time in nil rated column we are putting this value 2500. See here it is showing, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is and all taxable supply. This is nil rated supply.
Okay, ma'am.
GSTR2. GSTR2 means purchase details, it is showing here. Enter, see here last column here also. Nil rated invoices, total supply how much we have? Nil rated 8,000 rupees we have. See, nil rated 8,000 rupees we have. So clearly it is showing, Noma, you understood now what is nil rated? Okay. How to prepare nil rated purchase and sales invoices. You got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma.